Boys, the first ever Robbie Nissan is home. Yeah, you guys like that commercial so much the first time, I figured I had to play it for you guys twice. To be honest, I have really no idea how to start this video. I've tried to start this video so many times. I feel like at this point it just makes me a little bit sad because I'm just scared I'm gonna get my dreams crushed again. But if you guys are seeing this, like I keep saying, if you're seeing this, that means it actually worked out, which is sweet. So I'm super pumped today. I'm super pumped every day we get to look at a car. Today could be a good day. And obviously you guys saw that commercial, but remember, these windbreakers, March 26th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You don't want to miss these. Here you go, Franks. Here you go. No, don't eat that. Look how big she is, dude. Yo, you're growing so fast, girl. You're growing so fast. Say hi to the peeps. They haven't seen you in a while. All right, Franks, it's a big day. It's a big day. You just get comfy. How excited are you?
I'm pretty excited. This is fun. This was like 6 years ago. You wanted your very first car ever, and we went and looked at one of these cars.
I'm pretty sure they know what it is. I'm pretty sure this one's in the title and thumbnail. I didn't try and hide that. And if Chris was here, I'm sure Chris would be all like, yeah, this guy's about to lose his Nissan virginity. So pumped. This is like one of those things that we've been trying to do this for like almost a month. I put a short clip in the end of a video a long time ago showing that we were looking. What's cool is, like Courtney said, this car we're gonna buy for me. So I know a lot of people are gonna be like, Robbie, you have projects, you have stuff to do, finish what you gotta do. Something that I've always told everybody is that I wanna collect cars. Like one day I wanna have a big collection of cars. And this is a car that I really, really want. I always have wanted, and I just wanna have in that collection. Like I've also learned as we've had all these really big projects that they're fun, but I don't want everything to be an engine swap, super headache, massive pain in the ass. And hopefully in the future we'll just keep building cars that are like, we can drive them and play with them at the same time. I'm excited again, and I keep getting excited, and then I keep getting let down. I'm just pumped, dude. If this one works out, it's gonna be a good thing that none of the other ones have yet. One day. Dude, I'm so nervous. Courtney wanted to film this thing where she passed me my sandwich. I didn't even eat lunch, dude. I can't even eat. And I eat a lot. We're literally like 2 minutes away. This one seems like it might actually be ideal. This is like a one owner, super low kilometers. We're about to pull up and talk to like the original owner of this 1990 300zx, which could be really cool. All right, we're gonna hop on the phone cam. She just left me here to look at it when she went to her office, so I actually get to do a nice inspection. Looks like it was oil coated. Probably a couple times just by the looks of it. Said it's a new battery, but they're having trouble starting it. I mean, as far as rust, like, it's not really bad compared to all these other ones. It can be cleaned up for sure. Most of them are just gone. Said original paint. I'm gonna go ahead and say it was painted. Mufflers are hooped, but I'm gonna see if we can get a compressor on this and let's marry these bad boys so we can at least roll it outside and try and get it going. Okay, this thing, they said they did a bunch of work on it. Battery's brand new, but it's dead. So we have absolutely zero space in this parking lot, and it's up to me to see if this thing runs. Nobody here seems to care. Boys, we are in the car. We got this bad bad girl started. It seems like it was just out of gas. Let's see what happens here. I have no idea where I am, and I don't have a lot of gas. So we're hoping for the best. No speed, baby. Classic Nissan, no speed. I'm going this fast. It's actually not bad for whatever, a 30-year-old friggin' car. What happens if I hit the brakes real hard here? Oh, we stop. All right. Good news, good news. Definitely needs some love. I don't know if it has power steering, but it really doesn't feel like it does, bro. Really doesn't. Okay, you got the ownership or what?
Yeah, it's right there.
Put this in a safe place. It's a good day. Today's just a good day. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Boom. Locked and loaded. I'm hungry again now. My anxiety's gone. I can eat. We can get heading home.
Buddy, oh.
You after what?
Mission successful?
Mission successful.
Buddy, I wish I could have came with you, but
I feel like you get the worst view right away because that front bumper is a little sad, but
it's okay. Maybe a little sad, but it's gonna be happy. I'm so pumped you're like joining the Nissan world, buddy.
What do you think? Should we unload it before we show them or what?
Yeah, but let's unload it. Buddy, I'm just too happy right now.
She fired right up. Boys, the first ever Robbie Nissan is home. Oh my god, that goes way too far. This is one of the first times I can say like, yo, I just bought one of my dream cars. I feel like people on YouTube always say that like, I just bought my dream car. This is one of them. This is exciting. I'm actually amazed like how quickly it started up. Look at this thing. Okay, first off, you've seen, I've seen. You haven't even seen, because you were taking care of Frank, so you may do the honors of getting in.
I
feel like you should kind of remember because we did look at a bunch of these before, but
so, like you just have your ticker?
yeah, it's kind of cool, right? There's like no dash controls on the actual dashboard. It's just completely empty. There's literally just the radio and like a center speaker because this has the Bose system. So then all of your stuff is up here, yeah.
Like it came with this?
Yeah. That's an OEM option, baby. This thing was loaded. Look at the power seats. I don't even know what else I have power seats in, dude.
Your truck doesn't even have power seats.
Yeah, no, shut up. But yeah, you got like dash lighting, all your lights, cruise control, defog, all that kind of stuff. And like if you turn the key, it has like a little digital display. Like 1990 has a little digital display telling you what your ambient temperature is and what you're set to.
So what's ambient temperature?
Like the temperature outside. Are you pleased with what you see under there?
I don't know. I don't think it has Hikas.
That's okay. I would have got rid of it anyways.
We don't want it.
Yeah.
We don't want it.
You have a 10 mil.
Nice. I feel like every car should come with a 10 mil.
This is such a like fun car because it's something I've always like wanted but never really done any research on.
So I showed you guys a bit of this when we were picking it up. Obviously, I'll give you guys a little tour right now. This is a 1990 300zx. This is an NA automatic. So it's super grandpa status, but this was literally, we bought this thing from a grandpa. So this thing has 85,000 kilometers on it. That's it, like all original. Nothing's been modified ever. It's like a super bone stock. This is like regular maintenance was done to this thing. And it was the original owner that we bought it from. Like how whack is that? Realistically, they gave me an ownership, dude, that said 1990 on it.
You'll never get that.
That never happened. But yeah, dude, just look at it. It's a big boy, dude. When it was on the trailer, I was like, wow, this thing's a tank.
It's not that big though. It's a big boy, but I guarantee it, once we pull some cars up next to it, it's not really gonna look that big.
It's just, I think it's just long. So this thing is a 2+2. I'm pretty sure like 99% of them are 2+2s. It's a 2+2.
Most in.
And it's a T-top. And this thing's just fully loaded for 1990. Honestly, one of my favorite little cockpits right here. The only issue that we have with this car right off the hop is this Slurpee box. It's it's a little Slurpee, it's a little 1990s, and it feels just a little hesitant when you're driving it. It's a little, there's just the slushy there. There's nothing really happening. So, and honestly, I like the tan interior. Can I do this with one hand? I did it. We got the T-tops, boys. Pop these bad boys right off, throw them in the trunk or on your lawn, and we got ourselves a as masculine as it gets convertible.
Damn right.
But yeah, dude.
Not bad.
I mean, cosmetically,
Ain't perfect, but she good. She pretty.
It's been painted. It's been repainted the original color. We have like a front bumper and a rear bumper in mind. We want to keep this thing super simple, but we had a front bumper and a rear bumper in mind. So the fact that it was a little bit nicked, we weren't super worried about it when we were looking at it. We're like, whatever, we're gonna change it out anyways. It comes with custom front bumper smackage. They never put adhesion promoter on this.
Yeah, that's true.
It's been resprayed, and we could tell it's been resprayed, and the bumper got hit here and in the back, and the paint came off. So they just didn't paint it right. We'll get it painted right.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
We're going for a rip?
You want to go for a little rip?
Yeah, let's go for a little boot. It actually smells like an old Nissan.
It does. It actually smells exactly like an old Nissan. It doesn't smell like an old Honda. It smells like an old Nissan. Yeah. And it's awesome. We're gonna have to put this thing up on the lift and do like a full once over because it's old, and they showed me a safety from 2007, and that safety from 2007, it had 84,000 kilometers on it. So in 13, 14 years, it's got 1,000 kilometers on it.
So yeah, it hasn't moved.
So it has not moved. So I'm sure it's like, oh yeah, it's great, but like, if I start driving this every day, it's just gonna be like, poof. Also, does this wheel adjust, or was that a feature they left out of this car? Bro, are you kidding me? They put every feature under the sun in this thing, and the steering wheel doesn't move. I don't think it moves.
But I don't think my Skyline steering wheel moves, so it probably doesn't move.
Damn it. I'm just so excited at the point we made it to in life. We just went and bought like a nice car that I've always wanted, and when you turn the key, it just loves to be alive.
Dude, she feels healthy.
Yeah, I know.
Like she just rumbled my butt cheeks.
I know. It's a booty rumbling for sure.
Oh, buddy, these seats probably, we're gonna have some weight reduction if we remove
We
these.
could camp in this thing.
Yeah,
oh,
we could.
We hit bottom. That doesn't work. Those work. And our mufflers, it's all stock, but the mufflers just rotted right out. Sounds a little exhausty, but the tires need air, it needs a little bit of an alignment, but like, everything seems like, all right, I don't know. Are you stoked to slam the shit out of this thing and just boost it and just,
I'm just thinking, like, she open diff or what? We'll figure that out another day.
Definitely not a nice exhaust tone. Yo, that was, oh, my speedo doesn't work, I forgot.
Who needs a speedo?
Yeah, well, apparently not me. I feel like that's a classic Nissan thing. Ride's nice though, eh?
Dude,
like for what it is. Even the suspension doesn't even feel like blown and hooped. It's like, it's all right.
Yeah.
This guy said they said that I bought it from like the kids. They said the dad never winter drove it, always stored it inside, you know, the classic.
So, buddy?
I'm so happy. Now he's gotta pave this so we don't have to drive through mud every time we get cars home. And buddy, all right, can we give this like can we figure this thing out? I wanna see if this works.
Oh yeah, you got the tunes.
You don't get any good stations.
Some may find that is a good station. Okay.
Nobody that's watching this video is gonna think this is a good station. Hollywood, Jackson. Really negative bass.
Yeah.
That's like the worst sounding speakers I've ever heard.
They were probably good back then.
They probably were. They even have the little Bose guy. I can't even hear this thing. I don't even know if it's working.
Oh, that's a speaker?
Yeah. I wonder if they left us any goodies.
Buddy, you got the manual? 1990, man, right there. You never get cars with manuals.
No. This manual's obviously been through absolute hell. That's the French side. 1990 Z32J. Oh my. Everything comes apart. Oh wow. Oh my. I shouldn't mess with this.
It's ancient, buddy.
I shouldn't touch this. Dude, is this the service guide? Bro, Willowdale Nissan.
Dude, that's sick.
It's even got two Z32s on the front. That guy's got that guy's got the TT bumper though. I want that. Every 6 months or 12,000, change engine oil and filter. Bro, I hope they did it every like 5,000 or this thing's gonna fucking blow up. It's cool just to have like random shit like that. It's not, it doesn't do anything, but
I can't wait to rip this thing slammed, stanced, and swagged out. She has made it to her happy place. Been in the dark for many years, and now she's in Robbie's
she gonna be in the light.
She's in Robbie's
I hope you guys are stoked. This is gonna be cool. That's it. It's awkward. I'm trying to end this, but I just keep looking at it. Peace out. Stay committed. Okay, bye. I love you. The bumper did hit the ramps. the bumper definitely hit the ramps. Is it bad? I'm gonna go ahead and say it definitely was better than it is now. We can qualify that as a fail.
Team fail.
A team fail. You came down a little hot. I came down a little not noticing.
And this is why you should have unloaded it. I wanted to help you.
Yeah. Okay.
Make that extra step to get a new bumper. So
Yeah.
there we have it.